We are from group 3, and this project is, the activity is called Animal Adventure. The target audience is students around 6 until 7 years. For learning objective is students can be able to identify and name 5 animals in English, such as cat, dog, cow, bird, or frog, with correct pronunciation. And then they can respond to instruction using action, like jump like a frog. And then use simple words like I see a, it's a, well, like that. And last, they can interact and work together with friends in group or class activity. Okay. In activity 1, we call animal action and sounds, or you can say that song and animal movement. In this activity, the teacher will we singing a song together with student. But before we singing, the teacher will introduce the animal first, like flashcard. They show to the student and ask them what's this animal. Misalkan ini gambar kucing, apa nama hewan ini? Mereka menjawab that's a cat. Terus kita tanya lagi, teachernya tanya lagi, what's the sound? It's meow meow. Not only sound, animal names and sound, we make a movement. Like kucing berarti kita membuat movement seperti tangannya kita seperti ini. Nah, seperti itu. Setelah itu, students are invited to stand up and we sing the song together.
Mau dengarkan suaranya?
Like that, okay. And after we sing together, the teacher can continue with a simple guessing, like show me a frog, and student will make a movement and make a sound, like repeat, like that. Okay, that's all for activity 1, and next we'll continue with Bulan. Sorry.
So, in the next activity, is animal market. Kita akan bermain role play game, and in this activity we have four steps. In the first step is preparation. Teacher prepares animal card or flashcard. Actually kita punya itu flashcard, tapi yang bawa itu tidak hadir, so tidak ada di sini. And money.
Mannya di tas.
Ini. Students get 3 until 4 cards to sell and some money to buy. And the next step is demonstration. Teacher and one student demonstrate a short conversation. In this activity, we provide some phrase for their conversation. That is like, hello, I have blah blah blah. And then the student respond, I see a blah blah blah. And I want blah blah blah, please. And thank you. You are welcome. For example, like this. I am as a teacher. For example.
Wow.
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 And the student respond, I see a cat. I want a cat, please. And then, thank you. You're welcome. Like that. Okay. So the third step is guided practice. All students take turn practicing the phrase with friends. Teacher assist as needed. Okay. After teacher and student kasih contoh, kemudian mereka itu berconversation antar sesama temannya mereka. And the step yang terakhir yaitu market ya. Students freely buy and sell at the market. Then switch roles. After that, students imitate animal actions or sounds and say, jump, jump, I am a frog. Like this. For example, nih, cat. Nah, di akhir percakapan mereka akan bilang, meow, meow, I am a cat. Okay, thank you. And the next activity?
Okay, the activity 3 we have animal guessing game. So for the steps 1, teacher divide the class into turn of 2 until 3 students, and then they stand in a line. And then after that, one student come to their teacher for what picks a card secretly and then imitates the animal action and sound. And then next, the team's members guess the animal. For example, kayak kucing. Nah, like that. And then the students can guess like it is a cat. Like that. And then the first correct answer earns a point. And then the last team that turns the group with the most point is win.
Okay, last, how this activity supports young learners. The first one is build curiosity and new ideas. It is important for our characteristic. Song and games spark imagination, encourage exploration, and help students discover new things. And the next is done by doing or learn through meaningful exposure and practice. Hands-on play and real conversation help students learn vocabulary like animal names, actions, or sounds. And the third, support thinking with scaffolding. From demonstrations, and the next simple practice, and the next fun games, real communications, teacher guide with visual examples, and encouragement. And the last is build movement and interaction. All activities involve movement and interaction. Students stay active, enjoy learning, and build positive relationships.